stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls.
Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, do you know what? I am not even ashamed to tell you how unbelievably excited I've been to film this. So eager to get this filmed, to get this done. I'm not even bothered. Like the thought of organising a cupboard like this gives me such thrills. I'm being quite honest and open with you guys because I do come across super organised and tidy on my social media channels. So here's a bit of reality for you. Okay, this is what I like to call my Monica cupboard. So welcome to my Monica cupboard, and welcome to me organising my Monica cupboard. And the main reason that it looks the way that it looks at the end of this video is because of this. So you will see me using this beauty a lot in this video. This is the Cricut machine. There's a few different Cricut machines. This is the Cricut Joy. Just getting her out of her handy little travel bag. Here she is. She is my new organisational best friend, and I am going to go into more detail about how I use her to label all of the baskets in my cupboard during this video. So yeah, if you're wondering how I get beautiful labels on my baskets like you just saw at the beginning, the Cricut machine is how, but I will show you about that a little bit later on. Really, it's one of those situations where I'm kind of sat here now looking at it thinking, where do I even begin? That is always the issue with a Monica cupboard. Where does one begin? I think what I'm going to do is just empty it out, and first of all I need to decide what actually needs to be in the cupboard. There is no sort of specific thing that goes in this cupboard. There is a little bit of everything in here, and over the 14 months that we've lived in this house, I'm definitely guilty of just chucking stuff in there if I don't know where else to put it. So there's probably going to be a few surprises when I'm emptying this out of stuff where I just think, I don't even know why I own that, to be honest. So I will make a pile of things I'm getting rid of and things that are going to remain in the cupboard. So the top shelf here is actually the only part of the entire cupboard that is mildly organised. Things are already in baskets on that one top shelf. I obviously did the one shelf and then thought that makes my life a little bit easier, because at least these four I know I'm definitely keeping. As for the other 5 shelves, I also just want to apologise for pronouncing Cricut wrong occasionally in this video. The right way to pronounce it is Cricut, not Cricut. Okay, so now I have 2 large empty cupboards, and I've decided what's staying in these particular cupboards. What I need to do now really is put things into baskets so that I know what labels to make. So the baskets that I use mostly are these storage baskets. These are the Wham Studio storage baskets. You will see these in Home Bargains, B&M, Asda, The Range, like any sort of homeware shop like that. These are really easy to get your hands on, and they're really good value as well. I think a big one this size is like £3.99. So I've got some in grey, I've got some in white, and these are going to be my main storage places. So yeah, what I need to do is just take these, decide what's going in what, because then I will know what to make with my Cricut. I don't know what labels to make unless I decide what is going in what. Okay, so the plastic baskets I think we're pretty much done with. So I think I'm ready to start labeling. So I've got tech, so like my camera stuff and other tech things, tools, this is screws, etc. This is pet stuff. Then these little tubs are all batteries. These are bits and bobs for my work. So if I ever have any products that I need to keep safe for ad campaigns, I'm going to put them in this basket. I don't really know what to label it. Maybe just Ellie work or something. I don't know. This is Leo's maths basket. This is Leo's reading basket. Over here we've got kids medicine, adult medicine, candles, display jar things. I'm not crazy. If you're a long-time subscriber, you'll know I have a large glass, like apothecary jar in my kitchen that I fill with different things for different seasons, so that's what that is. I swear I'm not crazy. This is my Cricut basket, so I'm going to get to that in just a minute. I'll need to get that out. Other display stuff, I'm just going to write decor maybe. And these two are still empty, and then something else is going in the bottom shelf, so I'll show you shortly. But yeah, I'm gonna get out my Cricut baskets because it's time to start making some labels. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you a demo about how to use it that I filmed a couple of days ago when I was having a practice. So I'll show you that now. Only thing different to what I'll be doing today to what I did in my video is I'm going to try it out today using the transfer tape. So when I tried it out a couple of days ago, I didn't use the transfer tape and it was still super easy. But I've since realised that this is an option to use the transfer tape, so I'm going to have a go with it today. But honestly, without it, it was absolutely fine. But I'm going to try it with it today and see if it makes it even easier. But yeah, here is how I use my Cricut Joy to label my baskets. So the first thing you need to do is decide what you're going to be putting your sticker onto. So for me, I'm doing this plastic container here. This is my Cricut Joy. So it comes in this cute little carry case, and here it is, really compact, really small, and then it just lifts down at the front here, and you can see where the little blade is just in the middle. So there are so many pre-made designs you can get on the Cricut app, but I want to write out my own stickers for this particular project. So I'm going to go on the canvas and I'm going to write out the text that I need, pick a font, make sure it's the right size, and then you will see this screen here which shows you exactly what it's going to look like on the vinyl. And it's ready to start cutting. And I'm going to be using the Smart Vinyl, which you can see here, which is permanent. You just insert the vinyl into the Cricut, then you press go on the app, which I just showed you, and it starts to cut, and it looks so smart when it does it like this. It's really satisfying to watch. The app will tell you when it's finished, and then you can remove the vinyl and use the transfer tape to stick it to your surface. And you can also see here that the Cricut vinyl comes in so many different colours. You see me using black and white, but there is a whole array of colours and tools to use. as you can see, I have finished. That was a very satisfying time well spent, I must say. I'm just lucky that Clint was here and he could watch the kids so I can really get stuck in and get it done. So therapeutic looking in this cupboard right now. I've been filming organising the cupboards. How do they look? They look good? Well, I tell you what, I'm about to show everyone what's what, so why don't we do it together? So here we've got tech, then we've got tools, then we've got screws and bits, then we've got pets, which is Trevor's stuff. Now that, I love this. This was a free template on the Cricut app, which was a battery symbol, which I thought was so much cooler than writing the word battery 4 times. But different sizes in each pot, and I love those. Then we've got little decor bits, we've got meds, and then we've got kids meds. The soft baskets I've got in the bottom, to be honest, I think I'm gonna get another one for each, because you could easily fit 3 in here, but they are just gonna be for whatever they need to be at the time. At the moment, they've got vases in them, which will go back on the shelves once Christmas is over. Then on this side, we've got reading, so this is all Leo's reading bits. We've got maths for all Leo's maths bits. We've got more decor. We've got ads for mummy's work things. We've got, of course, got a Cricut basket, candles, and these 2 are currently empty. Don't know what's going to be in there at the moment. And then we've got the 2 soft baskets at the bottom, and he is having a good old look around. I just can't tell you how satisfying it is opening up to this. Like you saw what it was like at the beginning, guys. This is a real improvement. You shut the doors for mummy. So I know a few of you are going to want to know what font I used on the Cricut, and that font is called Baby Steps. If anyone wants to use the same font, it was called Baby Steps. And there you go, that was my Organise the Cupboard with me. Big thank you to Cricut for wanting to work with me on this video. I am officially a huge fan. Obviously those empty baskets will get filled up very quickly once I realise things that need to go in there, but I just thought rather than like panicking and putting a label on it for the sake of today, I'll just wait and make sure that I'm putting something in there which really needs to go in there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I have loved doing this video. I hope it was super satisfying to watch and to organise with me. And I'm gonna go get in my pyjamas and slob out because I'm filming this on a Sunday, and that's what Sundays are for. Organising and relaxing. But all the details for Cricut are in my description box, so you can go there to find out more. And I'll see you lovely people in my next video.